My name is Sebastian. I'm from IDLink. We're a company, we're a company called Safe Online, but our product's called IDLink, and that's idlink.eu or .dk, whichever one you want to use. We saw that now users had the possibility to request their own data. There were two regulations, two articles, that allowed them to say, I would like to have my data. What we did, we saw that there was actually a problem for companies to first of all, find the data. Second of all, we needed to authenticate that the user was actually him before delivering it. Then thirdly, we needed to deliver it in a safe way. And then fourth and last, we needed to be able to automate this process. So therefore, we needed to integrate with core systems that were below to find all this data on the one requesting. And right now, we're building the second phase, which is called IDLink onboarding. What that will do, it'll allow companies to all the new customers that they onboard, they will authenticate them correctly with an IMID. They will be able to just send them a link where they give in consent and get authenticated, and all the master data will then be populated into IDLink onboarding, and it'll then send a request to their current service provider to request for their data history. Being a small company, everyone's involved in everything. All of the people that we have working for us, they're doing lots and lots of things. They are introduced to all business processes, and they also help finding solutions to some of the problems we face. So we have quite a small group, but very tight core, because everyone is trying to give opinions about where they think we should be heading, but at the same time, there's also the need for extreme focus. So we're very open, and we try to make decisions fairly fast. We have a good decision-making process that helps everyone feel that we're going down the right path. So an open culture, and we're learning every day. This is a new area. The whole GDPR is brand new. That's why it's so exciting. Begging, hard work, knocking on doors, you know. No, we were so fortunate that in our network, part of our partners, we have an amazing individual. She knows a lot of people, and she pitched our idea to someone else. He then pitched it to a few investors, and before we knew it, we had what we needed. The second time around, the second investment round we did a year ago, that was with an angel investor who's actually here somewhere today. But that was hard work. It took like 9-10 meetings. Every time he told us to come back when we had refined our pitch, but we just wanted him. He was a good guy. He was the proper one for us. So we just kept on going until he said yes.